Previously, we explained the concepts that plants need water and roots that are eaten normally by people. In this session, we will cover the explanation of the remaining concepts mentioned in the previous session. So, let's continue. In line with the discussion conducted in the previous session related to the concept of function of roots, we are going to conduct an activity now. Take the wilted weed with its root intact, as pulled out by the students, and ask the students to observe the roots of those weeds carefully. Then, take a bowl of water and dip the roots of those weeds into it until it's fresh again. Continue with the discussion on absorption by roots of a plant initiated in the previous session by asking, what changes did you observe on the leaves of the weed after soaking it in water? The possible responses may be, the leaves looked greener, they looked fresh, and so on. Further ask what they noticed on the roots of the weeds. The possible response may be soil. Then ask, what difficulties did you experience while pulling the weed? The students may say that it required a great deal of force to pull the weed out, or some of the weeds were hard to pull out, and so on. State that roots are the foundation of the plants, just like our homes, and they also have a very strong base. Further mention that the roots hold the plant or tree firmly to the soil and also absorb water from it to keep the plant or tree alive. Initiate another discussion with the students by informing them that they have seen plants with roots underground, but there are plants with flying roots in the air. Then ask the students if they have seen trees which have roots in their branches. Let the students respond. Or while displaying a picture card of a banyan tree, ask, have you seen or know of any other plants which have normal roots at its base and extra roots from any other parts of the tree? Accept all the relevant responses. Conclude by stating that aerial or hanging roots present in trees like banyan give extra support to the trees, and such trees stay alive for a very long time. With this, by implementing the zero investment innovative idea of learn from plants, we explained to the students the concepts of functions of a root, absorption and holding, aerial roots of some plants. In the next session, we will learn how to make the students revise the concept of roots normally eaten by people. Curious to know how? Then tune into our next session.